Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a slide effect for pictures in the CapCut Mobile. So first, you just need to add the background and then add the pictures as overlay and position it like this. So I'm going to lower the duration to 1 second, and for the second one, put it after the first picture is finished, and also the third pictures like this. So you need to put it like so, and after that click on the first picture, go to mask, and then select the rectangle. Here you can adjust the size and also the position to your liking, and here click on adjust and click on the round corner and set it to 40, and just repeat the steps for all of the pictures. Okay, so now I've already made all of the pictures to shape like this with masking, and after that click on the first picture, go to animation. Here under the in category, select the slide left animation. Let's try to find it. Okay, this one. And also for the out animation, you need to add the same slide left animation, this one. Okay, so repeat the steps again for all of the pictures. Okay, so after you apply the animation for all of the pictures, so here is the final result. And that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.